Here's another video, a how-to video on our 2016 Entegra Anthem 44B. The fireplace works, but the heat element does not. And we knew that when we bought it. But Janice bought a new blower heater assembly. And apparently there was a known issue with it because all we had to do was pay the shipping on it. And the manufacturer of the fireplace covered the cost of the new heater element. She took care of all that. Now I get to do the replacement. So the first thing I do is go down here, and this wood trim all the way around is a casing that covers the mount screws to the unit. So I'm going to pull that off now. So now that I have the frame off, it was just on there with some brad nails, and I got a little prying tool underneath the bottom and pulled it off, and they came right off. So now there's just a few mount screws on the corners of this insert, and I'll take those out now. And here's what the fireplace looks like when those 4 screws come out. I slid it straight out, and it's not very heavy and it's not very bulky. It just set it right down on the floor. So you see there's a lot of open space in behind it, and I'm guessing it has to have that for clearances because it's a heat unit. You don't want any combustibles too close to anything. So now I have to take this lid off, and I believe the back panel screws or something to get to that heat element right there. So here's what I have. This is the original old motor that doesn't work as heat. And here is a set of instructions. And these are pretty detailed instructions, but it talks about blue wire, cut a blue wire, and I don't have a blue wire to cut in the old one. So basically all I'm going to do is trace it out. You've got your transformer power comes here, these black and white, and that's the black and white right here. You've got, this is a black wire, which is coming from this side over here. It goes down underneath and comes out here. On this particular, on the old one, it's a red wire right there, and it comes out here. So I think what I do is I cut this, splice that black wire to it, and then I have 2 push-on connectors, one here and one here, that get connected here and here. So that's really all there is. There's basically 5 wires, 2 push-ons, and 3 of them get crimp caps on them. So let me do that now with the new one. And it's almost done. This is the new motor install. I've got everything connected back the way it was and tied with some zip ties. The only thing left is this top piece has this connector here that goes right there, and it's even marked. They call it the NTC connector. I don't know what that stands for, but anyway, that's the only thing left, and then it'll fire off. So I'm going to plug that in before I put it all back in the cabinet and test it.
Go ahead.
In 3, 2, 1.
Ta-da!
Now, let's see. Put your hand up in front and see if you feel heat coming out of there.
Oh, I can feel it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We're good.
Oh, yeah, it smells.
We are
got
in
that
business.
funny new burner smell coming out. So anyway, we've got heat for the morning.
There's the fan.
And
there we go.
you got adjustable fan speeds.
Yeah. Or maybe that's not. I'm sure what the time is.
Okay, so there you have it. I just got to put the back panel on and reinstall it, and we're done here. Thanks for watching. Check us out and subscribe to this channel because you're going to see a lot more 2016 Entegra Anthem installs and how-tos and figuring it out videos. Thanks for watching.